So you want to film weddings like this.
Welcome to Wedding Crashers University, where we show you how to find success in the wedding film industry.
As a young filmmaker, I always dreamed about turning my passion into a sustainable source of income.
We eventually figured it out and started our wedding film company, Hello Darling Films. Since then, we've grown and learned more than we could have ever imagined. We opened a studio, built a team of talented editors, creative cinematographers, and booked 100 wedding seasons. Most importantly, we're having fun and making a career out of something we love.
Our mission with Wedding Crashers University is to show you how we did it and how you can too. We are filmmakers that want to help other filmmakers, and now we're ready to pass you the keys.
So we decided to start Wedding Crashers University to come alongside and help guide the next generation of wedding filmmakers.
Class is in session. Subscribe to enroll.